So I found this cool feature whereby if you go into lock mode, and I've got my phrases, if that's what you want to call it, or I've got my snapshots. I've got my snapshots set up already. Right, so when the morphing mode is turned off, when you flip between snapshots, the action is immediate, whereby you turn on morphing, it will then transition. So let's just go ahead and demonstrate this. And we can set the target to travel. And listen to the difference here. So the existing snapshot kind of fades out and then morphs into the second snapshot. Play that again. So yeah, that's a cool way to kind of bring in new sounds if you want them to just fade in as opposed to just come in at a full volume. Then you can go into morphing, turn it on or off, depending on what your desired results are. So yeah, having fun with snapshots or lock mode with the Maschine Studio. And this is a kit from the new expansion, Drift Theory. Go check it out. Link is in the description.